प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आज हम लिंकेज और सहलग्नता क्या होती है, कितने प्रकार की होती है और किस प्रकार से जीवों में सहलग्नता की उपयोगिता है, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। लिंकेज is being studied under following headers: Introduction to linkage, chromosomal theory of inheritance, types of linkage, characteristic of linkage, linkage groups, detection of linkage, signification of linkage in plant breeding. Introduction to linkage: the tendency of genes to remain together in their original combination during inheritance is called as linkage. It was described by Batson and Punnett for the first time that linkage is the tendency of genes to remain together. The phenomenon of linkage was firstly reported by T.H. Morgan in 1906. He put forward the theory of linkage and conducted that coupling and repulsions are the two phases of single phenomenon called as linkage. Chromosomal theory of inheritance that was given by Sutton and Bowry, and this theory, what it says, it is well established that many genes are located in each chromosome in a linear fashion is called as linkage. All genes located in same chromosome would move to same pole during cell division. As a consequence, such genes will fail to show independent assortment, or you can say they will not segregate during gamete formation and would tend to be inherited together and will lead to the process of linkage. Types of linkage. Linkage is generally classified on the basis of three criteria. First, that is crossing over. Second, genes involved. And third, the chromosomes involved. First, we will study the types of linkage based on crossing over. Linkage may be classified into complete and incomplete, or you can say partial linkage. The complete linkage, it is known in case of male of Drosophila and females of silkworms, where there is complete absence of recombination types due to absence of crossing over. When crossing over is 0, then linkage is 100%. So you can say there is complete linkage in the male Drosophila in many characters due to the absence of crossing over. Another linkage that is called as incomplete or partial linkage. In some frequency of crossing over also occurs between the linked gene, and when there is some sort of crossing over is there, then linkage is always partial or incomplete. The incomplete linkage has been observed in maize, pea, female Drosophila and several other organisms. The types of linkage based on genes involved. Based on genes involved, linkage is of two types. One is coupling phase, another is repulsion phase. Depending on whether all dominant or some dominant and some recessive alleles are linked together, linkage can be categorized into coupling phase and repulsion phase. First, coupling phase. Dominant alleles present on the same chromosome and recessive alleles present on the same chromosome shows coupling phase. In the example given, you can see the TR, capital TR, they will remain together, and small tr remain together. Such condition is called as coupling phase. Another type is called as repulsion phase, in which dominant alleles of some genes are linked with recessive alleles of other genes on same chromosome shows repulsion phase. In this case, the capital T small r and capital T small r, wherein on other chromosome there is small t capital R, small t capital R. Then it will be called as repulsion, where one dominant and another recessive gene remain together. Third, the types of linkage based on chromosomes involved. Based on chromosomes involved, Based on location of genes on the chromosome, linkage is categorized into autosomal linkage and allosomal linkage. The autosomal linkage refers to the linkage of those genes which are located on autosomes, that are the vegetative chromosomes or the chromosomes which controls the vegetative characters, that is other than sex chromosome, are called as autosomes, and genes present on such autosomes are called as autosomal linkage. Another type, that is allosomal linkage. Allosomal linkage means it is sex linkage, or you can say the genes present on the X and Y chromosome in human being are the allosomal linkage, and they will remain together if the genes present on autosomes that goes in the other generation with the autosomes, then it is called as autosomal linkage, and the genes present on the sex chromosome, and if they are going together in second generation, then it is called as allosomal linkage. What are the characteristics of linkage? Linkage involves two or more genes which are located in same chromosome in a linear fashion. Linkage reduces variability. More of the linkage, then more of the parental characters are in the generation. Linkage may involve either dominant or recessive alleles, as we already studied before, the coupling phase, or some dominant and some recessive genes alleles. Repulsion phase, already we have studied before. Linkage usually involves those genes which are located close to each other. Means more the genes are near together, more the chances of linkage, lesser the crossing over. The strength of linkage depends on the distance between the linked genes. Lesser the distance, higher the strength, and vice versa. Means more of the distance between the linked gene, more is the crossing over, and lesser the distance, higher the linkage. Linkage can be determined from the test cross progeny data. Linkage groups. Linkage group refers to the group of genes which are present in one chromosome. In other words, all those genes which are located in one chromosome constitute one linkage group. The number of linkage group is limited in each individual. The maximum number of linkage group is equal to the haploid number of the organism. For example, there are 10 linkage group in corn, where 2n is equal to 20. It means n is equal to 10, and there are 10 linkage groups are there in the corn. If it is garden pea, then 2n is equal to 14, and there are 7 linkage group. And similarly in a barley, there is also 7 linkage group are there, क्योंकि वहाँ पर 2n is equal to 14 है, और n number of chromosome are 7, so linkage group also 7. Drosophila melanogaster, there is 4 linkage groups are there, because 2n is equal to 8, and in maize there are 23 linkage groups are there, because 2n is equal to 46. So linkage groups is directly proportional to the haploid number of chromosome. Haploid number of chromosome, n is equal to whatever it is, then linkage groups are also the haploid number of the chromosomes. Detection of linkage. How linkage is detected? The test cross is the most common method of detecting the linkage. In this method, the F1 heterozygous at two loci, that is capital A, capital B, and the small b is crossed with double recessive parent small sb, small ab, and the phenotypic ratio of test cross progeny is examined. If the phenotypic ratio of test cross progeny shows 1:1:1:1 ratio of parental and recombinant genotype, it indicates absence of linkage. It means it is independent assortment and there is no linkage. And the frequency of the parental types and recombinant types deviates significantly from the normal dihybrid test cross ratio, that is 1:1:1:1. It reveals that presence of linkage between two genes under study. Significance of linkage in plant breeding. Linkage limits the variability among the individuals. Linkage between two or more loci controlling different desirable characters is advantageous for a plant breeder. A linkage between genes controlling two different desirable characters will help in simultaneous involvement of both the characters. Linkage is undesirable when desirable and undesirable genes are linked together. What is the difference between crossing over and linkage? The crossing over leads to the separation of linked gene, whereas in linkage genes are kept together. Crossing over involves exchange of segment between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, whereas linkage involves individual chromosomes. The frequency of crossing over can never exceed 50%, where the number of linkage group never be more than chromosome number. The crossing over increases variability by forming new gene combinations, whereas linkage reduces variability and it shows more of the parental characters in the generation. So, it is all about linkage. Thank you very much.